Hi, welcome to the CBR family. Now that you've enrolled with CBR to store your baby's newborn stem cells, there are just a few more steps to take. If you haven't already, please go online to cordblood.com/clients to create your account, register your kit, and complete your enrollment forms. You may have already received a kit from your doctor. If you haven't yet, we'll send one to your home. One thing to remember is to please keep the kit at room temperature. Now, this is the exciting part. Let's open your collection kit. It's very important that you get familiar with all of the contents in it. First, slide the sleeve right off the kit. You'll see a seal and two doors. Feel free to break the seal between them to open your kit. And that's it. Inside these doors are the healthcare provider instructions and the parent's guide and checklist. The parent's guide and checklist are instructions for you. Please read this over and share it with your birthing partner because it has important information for the day of delivery. Next, look in the pocket on the right side. You'll find the data collection sheet. The top section needs to be filled out and signed. You should do this before the birth. If you've opted to save your cord tissue, please follow the instructions provided on this sheet and fill out accordingly. This is crucial information for a laboratory to receive upon arrival with your collection kit. And behind the instructions are the materials for cord blood and cord tissue collection. These are sterile, so please do not open either of the items. This is the pouch that your doctor will use for your cord blood collection. And this is the collection cup for cord tissue. These last items here are your maternal blood draw tubes. Condensation could occur inside of the tubes, and that's normal. It's very important that hospital staff understands to include these in the kit with your baby's cord blood and cord tissue. If we do not receive the maternal blood draw tubes at our laboratory for testing, you may not be able to use your baby's newborn stem cells in the future. Now that you're familiar with your kit, you can put it in with your go bag for the big day. Remember not to store your kit in the car and to keep it at room temperature. When the big day finally comes, make sure you give the kit to your doctor, doula, or nursing staff. Let them know if you're going to be collecting the cord blood only or the cord blood and the cord tissue. The collection can be seamlessly added at the end of the birthing process after your baby is born. Once the healthcare provider team performs the collection, they'll hand you or your birthing partner the kit. Make sure your birthing partner is prepared for this step. Check inside the kit and make sure everything is in there properly. Look for the cord blood, for the cord tissue, if you collected it, the maternal blood draw tubes, and the data collection sheet. If everything is in there, then the kit can be sealed up for shipping. As you can see, there are seals on the top of the box and on the bottom. Break both of the seals and close the kit into a cube. The purple flap here is going to allow you to seal the kit properly. Pull the purple flap up and smooth it over like this. Next, you or your birthing partner need to text or call the 24/7 medical courier service as soon as possible and let them know that you have a CBR kit ready to pick up. Their number is located right here on the back of the kit. Give them your location and room number, and they will come right to you within 4 hours. Remember to store your kit at room temperature until the courier arrives. Once the courier picks up the kit, your baby's newborn stem cells will be safely transported to our laboratory in Tucson, Arizona. We'll send you an email to confirm that we received your kit, and your certificate of deposit will be available in your CBR client web portal in a few weeks. That's it. Thank you for choosing CBR. If you have any questions, call your CBR representative and we'll be able to answer any questions. Congratulations on your new addition.